welcome back to our channel. This is me again, Cindy from Cindy the Thrifty. Today we will have another lesson that is differentiating algebraic expression from algebraic equation. So what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that uses variable, numerals, operation symbol, and grouping symbol. So, si algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase. So, phrase siya na gumagamit siya ng mga numerals, variables, operation symbols, and grouping symbols. So, ano ang ibig sabihin nito? So, si algebraic expression is gumagamit siya ng mga variables, numerals, operation symbols, and grouping symbols. Ano yung variables? Variables are letters in the alphabet. So, yung letters sa alphabet, pwede niya yung gamitin. From A to Z, tinatawag yun siyang variables. So, meron X, Y, A, N. From A to Z, pwede nyo yung gamitin. So, that is variables. And then, numerals. Yung mga numbers, lahat ng numbers is tinatawag na numerals. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin sa algebraic expression. And operation symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, pwede siyang gamitin ni algebraic expression. Well, grouping symbols is yung parenthesis, yung bracket, meron din siyang ganon. Tandaan natin ang algebraic expression is walang equal sign, meaning hindi kompleto ang kanyang thought. Kung sa sentence pa tayo, kung sa sentence yung pag-uusapan natin, so hindi complete yung thought niya. So, ibig sabihin wala siyang equal sign. Yun ang tatandaan natin na kapag walang equal sign, ang tawag doon is algebraic expression. Let's have an example kung ano yung algebraic expression para mas maintindihan talaga natin. So, for example, we have here 25 plus 30 times 10. So, nakita nyo wala siyang equal sign. So, ibig sabihin, ang ating number 1 is an algebraic expression. Now, with our second example, 6b minus 10 divided by 5, wala din siyang equal sign. Ibig sabihin, isa siyang algebraic expression. And then third one is 30 plus 15 divided by 3. Again, isa siyang algebraic expression kasi wala siyang equal sign. And pansinin nyo na meron siyang numerals, meron siyang mga grouping symbols, meron siyang mga operation symbols like this one, and meron din siyang mga variables like the letters. Okay? So, yan ang tatandaan natin na ito ang nagkukompose ng algebraic expression kaya lang wala siyang equal sign. Ano naman ang algebraic equation? Algebraic equation, on the other hand, is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign which shows that the two expressions on either side is equal. So, si algebraic expression, wala siyang equal sign. While si algebraic equation, meron siyang equal sign. So, kung sa English yun siya, si algebraic equation is a sentence kasi complete yung thought niya. While si algebraic expression is a phrase. So, yun ang kaibahan nilang dalawa. Tingnan natin ang ating example sa algebraic equation. So, kagaya nga ng sabi ko, si algebraic equation is meron siyang equal sign at ang either side nila is equal. So, ang side dito sa left at ang side dito sa right is equal silang dalawa. So, number 1, 85 plus 13 minus 50 equals n. Dahil may equal sign siya, ibig sabihin is algebraic equation siya. Number 2, 250 minus n plus 50 equals 100. So, ang side dito at ang side dito is equal yung value nilang dalawa. And number 3 is 18 plus v equals 35. So, ito yung mga examples natin sa ating algebraic equation. Basta tandaan lang natin na kapag merong equal sign, algebraic equation ang tawag sa kanya. Kapag wala, algebraic expression. Meron tayong mga examples dito. I-try natin kung naintindihan ba talaga natin kung ano yung mathematical or kung ano yung algebraic expression at kung ano yung algebraic equation. So, this is algebraic expression and algebraic equation. And kung paano natin siya i-translate mathematically. So, number 1, dito sa ating mathematical expression, number 1, the sum of 7 and 5. Paano natin siya i-translate into mathematical translation? The sum of 7 and 5. So, ibig sabihin, 7 plus 5. Yan ang ating mathematical translation sa ating algebraic expression na number 1. And paano naman natin siya gawin sa sa algebraic equation? So, sa algebraic equation, the sum of 7 and 5 is 12. So, meron na siyang equal sign. So, the sum of 7 and 5 rather is 12. So, tingnan nyo ang kaibahan ng ating algebraic expression at ang ating algebraic equation. Algebraic expression, wala siyang equal sign. Si algebraic equation is meron siyang equal sign. So, kumpleto si algebraic equation. Compare kay algebraic expression. Number 2, 10 subtracted from the product of 3 and 5. Paano natin siya i-translate into mathematical translation? So, 10 subtracted from the product of 3 and 5. So, 3 times 5 minus 10. 10 is subtracted from the product of 3 and 5. Ayan. So, paano naman natin siya gawin sa mathematical or sa algebraic equation? Nalilito na ako. 10 subtracted from the product of 3 and 5 is 5. Ayan. So, the product of 3 and 5 subtract si 10 equals 5. Ayan. So, may equal sign na siya. So, ngayon, ma-differentiate na natin kung ano yung kaibahan ni algebraic expression at ni algebraic equation. Ayan guys, di ba napakadali lang maintindihan? And ang susunod nating lesson is kung paano natin i-translate ang word phrases into mathematical expression or into algebraic expression. So, gaya nga ng given natin dito, this is mathematical phrases, kung paano natin siya gawin into mathematical translation. So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa susunod nating lesson. And then, later naman itong paano natin siya gawing mathematical translation from the mathematical sentences. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating video for today. At kung meron man, huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-like ang ating video at i-subscribe ang ating YouTube channel at i-like at follow ang ating Facebook page. Salamat sa iyong panonood. See you in our next lesson. Bye guys!